Okay, so the next couple videos, I'm going to just be going through like the review that we would, in theory, be going through in class. So the first four problems are just graphing, sines and cosines. We got a couple of inverse trig functions and domain and range for the three inverse trig functions, and then there's a 4.5 and 11 is a 4.5 too. So let's begin. So the amplitude for number 1 is going to be positive 2. We're going to flip it because of the negative. The period, that b that we're not kind of writing, well, we are writing it, it's just hard to see. B is 1/2 x over 2. So the period is going to be 2 pi over 1/2 or 4 pi, which means we're going to count by pi. No horizontal shift because nothing in the parentheses. Vertical shift of 1. So what I'm going to do, which I've done with all of these problems, is I'm going to graph this function first and then shift everything up 1. Okay, count by pi's, amplitude 2, vertical shift 1. So let's just scale everything out. So pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, and I'm going to go negative, negative pi, negative 2 pi, negative 3 pi, negative 4 pi. Cool. All right, so when we have 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. All right, and then once again, as a reminder, think about your basic shape of your sine graph, so sine of x, and then your basic shape of your cosine graph. All right, so like I said, I'm going to worry about the vertical shift last. The period's kind of taken care of with the scale, so we just got to amplitude and flip it, and then just eventually do the vertical shift. So sine starts at 0, 0 when there is no horizontal shift. I usually start by going up, but because I'm negative, we're going to flip and go down. Amplitude of 2, so I'm going to go down to negative 2, I'm going to go up to positive 2, and then in reverse. All right, so that's what we have. And I didn't grab a different pen. Our next move really is just to graph the vertical shift. So that's what we're going to do. So all my vertical shifts, shift all of my points up 1. So my lowest y value is going to be negative 1, and my highest y value is going to be positive 3. All right, and I'm going to draw this smooth curved line to show that. All right, and then that's my graph. That is y equals negative 2 sine x over 2 plus 1.